Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you one of the investments websites I've come across on the internet, right? One of the investments platform. So let's get into it. Okay, so the name of the website is fundora.trade. Okay, fundora.trade. Yeah, so if you should log in or if you should visit the website, they have a very good interface, right? Yeah, so let's get into it and see how it works. All right, so what you need to do first is when you head over to their website, you create an account, right? You create an account, and upon creating an account you get $10 for free, right? Yeah, so since I already have an account, what I'll need to do is to log in, right? I'll log in my account. Okay, so my email and then my password. After that I'll just tap on login. All right, so as you can see, I have $10, which is the sign-up bonus, right? So basically this website is for investment, so you invest and as time goes on you earn more income, right? Yeah, so that's how basically this website works. Yeah, so as you can see, I have $10 in my account. And so if you want to deposit to this website, you come to deposit over here, right? Okay, so the payment methods available for now is crypto. Yeah, so with the crypto we have USDC ERC20, USDT ERC20, and then USDT TRC20. So what you need to do is, in case I want to pay let's say $500 or something, I'll just select any of this payment method. So let's say we want to do USDT ERC20, you just tap on pay now. Okay, now enter the amount I want to deposit. After that I'll tap on deposit now, right? So you follow the instructions carefully. What it says is payment method is USDT ERC20. It says send USDT using the ERC20 Ethereum network. So you are going to copy this address, right? You're going to copy this address, then you send a payment to this address over here, or you can just scan this QR code over here. Yeah, so after that you just upload a proof of payment or a screenshot of the payment, yeah, and the transaction hashed, yeah, over here. Then you tap on deposit now. So let me quickly do that. For security reasons I'm not going to show that part, so let me just quickly do it and then show you how it came. Yeah, so as you can see, I've successfully deposited $500 here, so plus the bonus making $510. Yeah, so in case you want to start your investment, all you need to do is to tap on my invest over here, right? After tapping on it, then you select the plan you want to do. Okay, so now this one is $500, which I can start right now. Hope you understand. Yes, and also this one is $1,000. This one is for $3,000. Okay, yeah, so let's just go in for the $500, right? So you tap on invest. Okay, invest using balance. So let me enter 500 and then invest now. Okay, so as you can see, it says invest successfully invest. Okay, so let's check. Yeah, so as you can see, details are here, as you can see. Yeah, so in case you get the money, okay, the commission starts coming and you want to withdraw, just tap on withdraw button over here. Okay, let me go back and then show you. So okay, since I've not gotten any commission, I'll not be able to withdraw, but basically this is how the platform works. Okay, yeah, this is how the platform works. In case you want to withdraw, you just tap on this button over here, the withdraw button. You tap on it, then you select payment method. Okay, so either BTC, USDC, Ethereum, USDT, or whatsoever. You just tap on it and then enter the amount. So let's say you want to withdraw $100, right? Yeah, so that's it for today's video.